Get ready for an exciting adventure. We're going to count from 1 to 100 in 3 different languages just like real astronauts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now let's count in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Let's keep counting all the way to 100. Let's start our journey with English. Imagine you're gazing at a sky full of twinkling stars. Each star represents a number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. That's a lot of stars!
Now let's zoom through space to learn some Spanish. Look, there are comets whizzing by. In Spanish, we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Section 4. Counting rockets in French. Next stop, France. France builds amazing rockets. Let's count them in French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, we keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then it's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Wow, that's a lot of rockets.
Section 5, counting to 100 in English, Spanish, and French. Congratulations, Space Explorer. Let's start with English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in Spanish. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. And finally in French. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq.
Keep practicing and soon you'll be counting to 100 in all 3 languages. Remember, learning languages opens up new worlds and cultures. Keep exploring, keep learning, and reach for the stars. The universe is full of exciting discoveries, and now you have the tools to explore it even further.